Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm excited to show you this awesome home located in Plain Township, Plain Schools. It's a freshly updated bi-level home with approximately 1,700 plus square feet, a nice oversized two-car garage that's air conditioned, heated, has hot and cold water, lovely lot, nice patio, and it has a beautiful road appeal, and I'm going to show you a few of the inside features. So since you can't be with me, let's take a walk. All right, so right now we're looking here, we're in the living room. So all the windows have been replaced with vinyl tip and easy clean. This is a view of the front, the driveway, of course the yard. Nice street. You come in the front door over here, you come up a few steps, you're in the living room, which is freshly painted. It looks like an amazing gray with a nice taupey gray carpeting and some planking in the kitchen. Big open kitchen eat-in area with a breakfast bar. Let's take a look. Okay, so as I stand here in the dining area, which again is opening to the living room, but you can see it's really nice. Wood tone cabinets, it's nice, open, bright and airy. The planking is really pretty. It's looks like a vinyl product. This is the view out the back. You can see here, it's very nice, private, convenient to everything, and very private, so that's nice. Okay, so you could put a few stools here if you wanted. You could probably put 4 stools here. And again, that overlooks the living room. Nice kitchen. Pretty countertops. Of course, you have nice appliances, floating shelves with a nice backsplash. It's very lovely. Okay, so let's have a view out the kitchen window. So if you're over here struggling to do the dishes, which isn't a fun job, that's the view. So if you have kids playing in the backyard, it's nice. Okay, let's take a peek. So you have a closet here, which will be your guest closet. And every room is the same color, nice and neutral, white trim, nice carpeting. Okay, LED lights. Let's take a peek here in the bathroom. So the bathroom is really nice. Same kind of floor as the kitchen. Let's show that to you again. Okay, you got a tub shower combo, nice tile surround. Give you an idea. Plus you have a window, so you probably put a curtain up there. Okay, cultured marble type top, solid surface. A lot of tile accents. This is a lovely little space, all updated and beautiful. Okay, so let's go to another bedroom. This one also views the back. Give you an idea there. Okay, so this is nice size room. Double-sized closet with extra storage. Okay, here at the end, linen closet. Need a place to put all your towels and different things. Okay, here's your next bedroom right here. Okay. Double door closet. This is the front view, so let me give you another perspective here. So you have a few steps going to the front porch. Okay, so now let's go down. There's a family room, utility room down below, so we're gonna take a look at that here real quick. But yeah, so a lot of nice open living space here. Of course, in the hallway to the bedrooms, and then downstairs, we're going to go there here in a second. So to the foyer, which is the same type of flooring, if you look, as upstairs. Okay, so here's the front door. So when you come in, here's the peek out the front. Okay, all right, let's go downstairs. So this goes to the garage. Now again, the garage, big garage. Okay, so here's the family room. All right, nice and bright. This is going to the front of the house. All right, this is to the back of the house. So this would be a great little space to entertain. Let's take a peek out the back. Okay. Yeah. And there's a patio out back for entertaining. Okay, under the steps here, you got a nice big storage room right here. Plenty of space. And then in here's a utility room with the washer and dryer that stays. The furnace, this might be of interest to you. It's a Manna. Right here, you could see. It's what these white pipes just represent. It's basically a high efficient furnace. And then you have your traditional pencil sharpener. Everybody needs one of those. The water heater is gas fired. It's a 40-gallon water heater. You have a water softener, well, city sewer, washer and dryer stay. You have a sink and a commode. Okay, so this is a nice little utility room. So I wanted to say thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is a wonderful home for sale. If you'd like to see this tour or other tours, feel free to go to www.dominicfonte.com. If you'd like to call me for a private preview, 330-418-1535, or send me an email at dominic@dominicfonte.com. Enjoy the day.